We're really excited about this. This is a really cool product and we're excited to get it to market. You want to dig your hole down to about 7 inches or so, and then you set this in there. You would set some soil in there, your bulbs on top of that. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today it's Hand Tool Saturday, and as the last hand tool we wanted to highlight our own product, our own idea, which is the flower bulb protector.
So we're super excited to show you if you've never seen this before. Some of you might be familiar with it, but we'll get to that in just a minute. But before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video.
So guys, you might have seen a couple other previous videos when we're talking about bulbs, and you might have seen this already. This is our bulb protector, our flower bulb protector, and we've been working on it for a number of years. It became a concept when my mom started losing some of her tulip bulbs at one of their houses way in the past. And so I wanted to protect those. I wanted to come up with an idea to do that. And so over the years, this is developed and we're finally here. This is our prototype. This was 3D printed and this is it. So basically it's got a bottom and a top, and it's really great. It protects your bulbs. It will protect your bulbs. And so this is great to use because there's a lot of different critters, there's a lot of different wildlife out in our gardens, and they're always looking for either food or places to store their food. Mainly squirrels, but there's also voles, moles, rabbits, deer, and a lot of other things out here that want to eat or dislodge our bulbs. Now there's a lot of other products out there, or just things that people have come up and built themselves over the years, including baskets that kind of do the same thing, but they don't. This is a very specific and very unique product in and of itself. There's wire mesh to go over, around, and under. People build their own, people build and sell their own to other gardeners. And so there's just different things out there to take care of this problem, but they're not all foolproof. They don't all do what this actual product does. So we're really excited, as Allison said, about this product. It's just something that's been in the works for a very long time. So what you can do is you would take your bulb planter, protector. You want to dig your hole down to about 7 inches or so, and then you set this in there. You would set some soil in there, your bulbs on top of that, and then put more soil in there on top of the bulbs, and then you would just take the top, screw it into position, and then bury the rest of this, and voila, you're set. Your bulbs are protected, and you can count on them to come up in the spring and into the summer, depending on which bulbs you want to plant in there. So this actual product was developed because tulips, my mom's tulips, were being eaten and just thrown all over the place and completely destroyed at their home. So, but also this would be great for crocus and any other types of bulbs that are either eaten or even dislodged and dug up and thrown to the side by squirrels and other critters to get at other plants or bury their food and store their food over wintertime. So this works really well for pretty much any type of bulb to keep it in place and to make sure that you get your maximum enjoyment out of it. So guys, that was an in-ground scenario where you would take this and plant your bulbs directly into the ground. Now we have a raised bed, and so this is in one part of our yard. We wanted to show you an example of a raised bed scenario. So dig your hole down about 6 to 7 inches, place the flower bulb protector right in there, and then you're able to remove the lid, place your soil in, place your bulbs in just as before we showed you, and then bury it. You're good to go. So this is great for in-ground beds and raised beds. Now, something that really isn't out there right now that we thought would be very useful to you and anybody else wanting to protect their bulbs is being able to protect them in containers, round containers, right? There's a lot of round circular containers out there. So really, there's not any products out there. There aren't any products out there that fit this description, that do exactly this and can fit into those containers. So this will actually do that. This was actually built, engineered to do specifically that. Over and above, protect your bulbs. We wanted to be able to protect bulbs in containers. As you're probably already aware of, there's a lot of pollution going on, especially with microplastics, and part of that problem is the caps of the bottles, of like plastic bottles for water or sodas, and it goes everywhere, and there's a lot of people out there trying to find out another use for it. Well, to recycle those, we can use those for this product. So we had that in mind when we were developing this from the very get-go. And the reason we're talking about all this is because, one, we're really excited about this. This is a really cool product and we're excited to get it to market. To first do that though, we need to legally protect ourselves and this product. Now, we've already started protecting our idea with a provisional patent, but it costs a little bit more to keep going with that. And for phase one, we need to cover a cost of $2,000 to take our protection to the next level. That's where you guys come in. We need to raise an additional $1,400 of the $2,000 that we need to take this to that next level of protection. We've already been able to raise $600, and thank you to everybody out there who's helped us get to that point. It's been fantastic and super exciting, but we need to keep going with that and get to our $2,000 mark for phase one. So if you want to help us reach that phase one level of $2,000, you can check out our GoFundMe page, and we'll have a link for that down below so you can click on it and learn more about this and us to help us get to that next level.
So like Sean said, we're super excited about our first product ever, and we cannot wait to get this in your hands. So we're starting up phase one, and again, you can click down below to click the GoFundMe and help us out. We really appreciate it.
So if you want to know any more about this product, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video, so come on by to see what we're up to, and have a great day, you guys.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.